Hey guys, welcome to the channel Chandan Tech Talks. First of all, I want to say thank you for each and every one of you because without you, I would not be able to hear completing my first year of posting a video on this channel. So, a big thank you for everyone for supporting me, for caring about me, for giving some suggestions which are really helpful for the development of myself and for this channel. I haven't made so many videos in this channel, but throughout this process, I have learned a lot. I have learned about some of the things which I don't know. I have learned how to express myself. I have learned how to overcome stage fright and many more. It's been a really long time I have made a video in this channel because I was busy in my academic related tasks and other activities. So I wanted to make this video and tell to you that from now on I'll also be willing to work quite amount of time for making these YouTube videos and to make helpful for me for getting knowledge of different topics or different areas. And I also wanted to express all my ideologies or express everything I know about the topics which I am interested or which you are interested. You can also suggest some of the few technology related topics in the comment section so I can get a few ideas about it, what topics you are interested in, or I want to know what topics you want me to explain it to you in a better way. I can say that I am not a geek or I am not too much into the depth of the topics, but if the topics which you suggested are under my radar or under my expertise or under my knowledge, I am definitely will explain it to you in a detailed way or in a better way compared to some other sources which you can get. I have been into cryptocurrency trading for the past few months, so you can expect some of the cryptocurrency trading videos in this channel about how my experience is, how you can trade in cryptocurrency, or how you can make profits, or when to book profits, or when not to exit from the market, or when to stop trading. Some of such tips in this channel. I also don't want this channel completely to be technology based. So if you are interested in some movies or TV series or web series, we can also have some chat about it in the future. So if you are interested into that, please let me know in the comment section that whether you want this channel completely to be technology channel or some for the fun and entertainment channel also. And I have been thinking about some of the ideas for the upcoming videos. So you also please let me know what kind of content you want or what type of videos you want or what topic you want me to explain it to you in the comments without forgetting. So I'm planning on taking this work to next level, and with your help I can be able to do it, and together we can be able to learn a lot of new things in the future. So until then, please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Also stay home, stay safe, and please get vaccinated. Thank you.